To fix the problem where one of the earbuds is not working on JBL Live Pro 2, first we can try to perform a factory reset on our devices, and you can do it by putting both of the earbuds inside the case. It's a crucial step, otherwise your devices might be powered off. So close the case, open it, and then remove both of the earbuds. Now we can perform a reset by grabbing one of the earbuds or both of them. You will need to wear them, so make sure to actually input them in your ear, and after that you will need to tap in the top section of your earbud 2 times, then tap a 3rd time, and this time hold your finger on the earbud for around 5 seconds until you can hear powering off. So it should go like this: 1, 2, and then we hold our finger for around 5 seconds. And as I said, you need to wear them, otherwise it won't work. After that they will power off, which means you can insert them both in the case and close it, reopen the case, and they should connect with your smartphone, or you will need to actually pair them again, which should fix any problems with one of the earbud not working.